Why do so many people freeze when it comes to investing, even when they know it could change their lives? Today, we're uncovering rule number 4 from Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad: The History of Taxes and the Power of Corporations. This rule is one of the most misunderstood, yet it holds the secret to how the wealthy legally pay less in taxes and keep more of what they earn. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know the same strategies the rich use to stay ahead. Kiyosaki explains that throughout history, taxes were originally introduced to target the rich, but over time, they evolved to burden the middle and working class. The rich learned how to shield their income using corporations and legal structures. Why? Because corporations allow you to earn, spend, and then pay taxes, while individuals must earn, get taxed, and only then spend. That small shift creates massive financial advantages. Corporations offer tax deductions, expense write-offs, and income protections that salaried workers don't enjoy. This is why the rich focus on building businesses and investment vehicles that benefit from corporate structures. Think about it. If you own a small business or invest through a company, many expenses, travel, education, supplies, can become legitimate business expenses, reducing your taxable income. This doesn't mean cheating or breaking laws. It's about understanding and using the system. Meanwhile, most employees work hard, pay taxes up front, and then try to live off what's left. Kiyosaki urges everyone to learn the rules of money because the system rewards financial education, not just hard work. Across the world, the wealthy use similar strategies, whether you're in the US, Europe, Asia, or elsewhere. They understand corporate structures, tax laws, and legal protections, and they use them to grow wealth faster. This isn't about greed, it's about financial intelligence. If you want to compete in today's global economy, you need to move beyond thinking like a wage earner and start thinking like a business owner or investor. Here are 3 strategies you can apply starting today. Learn how corporations work. Understand the basics of setting up small businesses or investment entities. Track your expenses and see what could become a business cost. Educate yourself on what's legally deductible. Invest in financial literacy. Take courses, read expert advice, and surround yourself with financially savvy people. Remember, the rich don't work harder, they work smarter and use the systems available to them. If you want to learn exactly how to start setting up your own financial systems, check out the next video right here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. We're here every week helping you sharpen your money mindset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.